stunning mid-century modernist house, 224 Wells Road sits perched on the side of the beautiful Malvern Hills. The site is accessed via a private drive and is nestled behind mature trees, set with panoramic views across the Severn Valley and all the way to the Cotswold Escarpment. There are 3 double bedrooms, all en suite, and all bathrooms with smart underfloor heating. There is a further single bedroom which could be used as an office. (224) is inverted, with the main open-plan living space and master bedroom on the first floor to take full advantage of the spectacular views and light. A stunning 780 square foot open-plan living and kitchen area has floor-to-ceiling panoramic windows giving an unforgettable view across the Severn Valley. With 20mm siltstone worktops, shark's nose finish and custom glass splashbacks. A large steel and cedar balcony at the front of the first floor is the perfect place to sit and enjoy the sunset. The outside of the property is just stunning.